Hi, this is Michael. This is a brief video to help you make the most of this forum. You are accessing this video because you have already registered and you're a member right now of ukparentforum.co.uk. Now, this is a member page, members homepage. You they Here we have discussion forums, which is the subject of discussion, and that's the reason why I'm making this video, so you can actually know how to use this discussion forum. The article database, you can actually is quite easy to access. Members adverts, forum offers, these are quite simple. All you need to do here, just click on any one of them, and then obviously you can see those information. But right now, if I take you to the discussion forums, um, remember the password you use. You can use those password, the password you use to log in to register. You can use them, but because before you actually begin to post information here or get involved in a good way, you really need to register here. So here you can this is login. This is login here. You can click on the login and then use your the same username you use, or you can create a new one. I use mine. So if I just put in my password in a seconds. So now I put my password in there. If you want the program to remember you all the time, remember me on each visit, you just click this so that you don't have to repeat typing this all the time. But obviously, your computer has to be your computer. If it's a public computer, then other people may actually access your file here. So I personally would advise you not to click this unless you are at your own home using this computer. Now you click login and then obviously you are in. Now here, these are the different forum sections we have here. General discussion forums here. We have the strategy department here where a lot of tips, techniques, and strategies are discussed. Monitoring school progress, dealing with bullies, back to school forums, and another thing. And here we have here private discussions. It's kind of where people, it's kind of a lounge really, where people can let things off their chests. It might not be exactly to the focus of parenting. It might be something else or anything else they want to gossip, they want to have a chat and laugh about. Obviously, we have private discussions for that. But apart from that, the rest of this is geared towards helping each other, supporting each other, and giving tips and strategy about what works, what needs tweaking, so that everyone can actually benefit from this particular forum. I keep saying this, and we are a family. Your success here is our success. So once you are here now, you can actually go to my stuff, click here, and to edit your profile. Or you really need to watch your profile. Basically, obviously, can change your profile here. Um, my advice would be just click on each of these buttons, have a look, and know how they work. Basically. Now, if you have any questions here, these are frequently asked questions here. And I think they will answer almost all the questions you have. But if there is any other question you probably may have, pressing questions, click this button to contact us, and then obviously, and we can get back to you. Okay. So right now, if we go back to the forum list, now these are threads. These are things, discussion things are put in. Number of posts are put in. So here, if you really want to have a look at one, you click here, one of them here. Now, this is what you get. This is tips I put in here. Here is 4 tips to monitor your child's daily progress. Now, if you look here, if you look here, now I didn't actually use my photos or ask people to use their own photos, but things like some images that might actually you can use, but it is quite acceptable. In fact, I really prefer people to use something to instead of using their own photos here. But you can use your real name. This is my real name, so you can use your real name, or you can use your forum name if you want to. But obviously, this is my real. So and then because the whole point here is to help people, and that's it basically, to help people. So now, if you under your own section here, you can now new reply any of this, or you can actually create your own, new topic. You can generate new topic, and if you click here, new topic, and then you can actually tell us what you want us to know, or raise a debate here, or something else, or some ideas. You can just, whatever it is, just type it here and give us a little bit of what you want us to talk about, or the clues or the tips you want. You can write them all here. Now here, if you look here, you find out that add my signature to this post. It's automatic. Now when you log in, register here, about your profile, things you wrote about you when you post, those things actually come up as well. So when people read your post, and then they also know about you and a little bit about you, that's fine. If you don't want that, basically all you have to do is just get rid of that, so it doesn't have to appear. So what would appear here is simply your post and your tips, or whatever information you are giving to people. Okay, right, and then you press submit, and that's it, done. The work is done. Okay, so I think this is I set up this website and this forum to help people actually maximize the help they give to their children, and also to share really good ideas and good practice, what works, what needs tweaking, people who have done it, to help. Because at the end of the day, if your child achieve their maximum potentials, you will be happy, and then people around you will be happy. And that's the way I look at life, to make sure that the people are happy, and their children achieve their maximum potential. Now, that's about it really. And any other information here, you can actually learn it yourself by actually tweaking and clicking and finding out information here. But they're actually quite straightforward really. So the basic thing is just covered. You click there, post the information, reply information, and that's it. So and then you log off. If you click on this parent, you again back into our website. Here I advise you to log off. Always try to log off here. When you are done, log off, and that's you now log off. So if you again, you can switch off your computer, or if you click here, and that take you to our website again. So this is the official website, the front page. So and that's it. So I hope you success in using this web page, and particularly using the discussion forum. And thank you very much for being a member of UK Parent Forum.co.uk. Thank you. Bye bye.